Hi, my name is Jerry, and I am a twin troller boat owner. Just got a bite. But he missed it. Let me try that again. I don't know if you can hear all that noise. Those are coots making that noise. It's very similar to the moorhen, except the coot has a white face, the moorhen has an orange face and head. And generally the coots are a little bit larger. See them, there's a couple of coots right there. And then over here to the right, there's a whole bunch more. And those are grass eaters. You see them out in open water together, they're usually around a large grass patch. So from a distance you can get an idea of what's there before you even get there. I don't know if you can see the changes I made to this. It's got a zoom horny toad on the back, and I pull it all the way up on the head to hold it there. It does really good in the weeds. Fish and turtles are the main diet of alligators, especially large ones. So I am always reluctant about sticking my hands in the water to get a fish that's thrashing around. This one's only about a foot down, but I'm trying to clear him another way. just past that the weed edge here, the large alligator. It's probably 11 foot. Big guy. Yeah. Through my hook. In another one of my videos, I made these exact baits using an injection system I made myself. I used melted plastic used baits, and they came out to be more dense than store-bought and thicker in the back section where the hook goes through, and that made them a little bit more durable than store-bought. You can make them yourself. Just look at that video. Once the bright sun got high enough in the sky, the fishing slowed down considerably, so I decided to head back to the boat launch.
I appreciate that you watch my videos. I even more appreciate your comments. What you like, what you don't like. Sometimes your criticisms. I'm okay with all of that. I really do this for the fun of it. So if you like what I do, feel free to subscribe right here. Just push that button. If you want to be reminded when I put out a new video, right underneath this screen to your right is a little bell. Just click on it. It will look like a bell that's moving. And that will remind you when I put out a new video. Again, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. If you did, feel free to subscribe, tell your friends, particularly make a comment. Thanks.